This is so simple and delicious. This is for testing to make sure the potatoes are not overcooked, but yet they're cooked. Big dices, put it in water. Salt is not necessary at this point because we're making a mix here, and afterwards, then you can season it. So why waste the salt in the water? There's the butter, and there's the heavy cream. That's going to be warm, added to the potatoes. I made this a couple of nights ago, just for the hell of it. Now, I've made this years ago. Maybe I used red bliss potatoes and left the skin on. I don't remember. All I know is that this time when I did it, it was so good. And optional, I'm putting a teaspoon of garlic in there. Just take the probe, stick it in the potato. Soft. Shut off the fire. As I'm draining this, I just want to say, I didn't melt the cream and the butter when I made this a couple of days ago. I didn't feel like using 2 pots, and there was no problem. But I'm doing this like this today. Well, just letting you know, you don't have to melt everything. And the other reason why I didn't melt the butter and the cream is because after you pour this in, there's going to be leftover in the pot. So just take the spatula and put it in there. You don't have to go through this if you just, and I didn't even heat up the cream. I just took it from the refrigerator, and the butter was a little bit soft, and I added it. Now all you have to do is throw in the pepper. I use black pepper because I like black pepper better than white. But if you don't want to see the black in there, just put white pepper. Smashed potatoes. See, when I made it yesterday, I didn't measure the cream. Today I did, so I'm going to have to add just a little bit more. This is a serving for 2. So let's see what it's going to look like when you put it on your plate for dinner. Take a tablespoon, put a good amount, and then rinse off the spoon, and whoops, and go like so. Simple, easy. Hope you enjoy it. Actually, that's a good amount for 2 people.